curlies, Erica here from Coils and Curls, and today is a Frizz-Free Friday. Nobody is into the Sistico Mineral Bond nail system. I redid my nails, and I did it with the ombre, but I don't think I did enough of a difference. See what you think. Anyway, we are doing hair today. This week, I am bringing you Denman brushes. Yes, I am finally going to do it for you on my hair. This is their D3 7-row brush. This is their D4 9-row brush. We are going to see the difference. I have been playing with the D3. What I decided to do and see if there's a difference is that I took out 3 rows. You can see where they are missing. So now that I am sectioned, first I'm going to take the D3 that I took out 3 of the rows, so there are only 4 instead of 7. I'm going to take a thin section. There are 2 or 3 different techniques. Now you gather them up and hold so that the heat of your body will help force that curl in with the heat of your hand. See, they're different. They don't look very curly to me, and I don't like the way that they're clumped. I think I need it more for my front section where I'm more thin and fine to help make the curls look better, but then I have to separate some because then they're too chunky. I had my daughter split my hair for me because I'm in it. Now let's try the D4. I'll take a thin section, which, let's face it, when you have older hair, your sections, not hard to take thin sections. Wow, that cut short, didn't it? Let's try another section, another darling. And you're supposed to hold so that you can create the ribbon. All right, why is this side working better? It's very hard when you can't see. I'm doing it blind. I should be doing it so that you could see. Okay, so you take it and then you hold so that you create the ribbon. You know, it's funny because back in the 70s and the 80s, Denman brushes are what we use as hairdressers. We used Denman brushes, and I stopped using them probably in the 90s. I don't know why, but I stopped using brushes. I wonder when I stopped using them. That's a very good question. I don't know. So anyway, but I digress. Let's see what the difference is in the back. I'm looking with you. Do we notice a difference? I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. Let's see. Did I do better? What do we think? Is it better? Do I notice a difference in the back from the D3 to the D4? I don't think so. See, what I want to know is how do you not mess up the sections? That's a very cute girl, but way too big. Let's wet it again. We are back to the D4. I had to use the back of my palm for tension. Oh, look how cute that is. Okay, we're getting better now. That might be too big of a section. I guess we'll find out. Now we're going to take the D3 with 4 rows. Now I am taking small sections only because my hair is so fine. I feel like if I do too thick of a section, my hair is going to be fighting to do what it wants to do because my hair is thinner than it used to be. It's joys of aging. But as my father would say, the alternative is much worse. Okay, so let's try going backwards and see what it looks like. Oh, that looks better. So apparently it depends on which way your curls go. See, look at this. Look at how weird, because that's not a curl. My hair doesn't do that. Only when it's stuck to other curls. Maybe if I moisten it a little. Let's see. I'm going to put in a little bit of cream and see if I can help jack those curls up a little. Oh, I think that helped. Let's see what happens with the other side. Does this look better, my curlies? I think so. Okay, so I think it was just that it needed a little more product. Put in too little. Before I continue, yes, this is time consuming. Yes, it is more time consuming than just raking your fingers through your hair, scrunching it, and diffusing with your Bellissima Dye Font diffuser. Let's see if my curls look better tomorrow. It is Monday, so I am hoping I can do a check-in for you and see how they survive. No promises, my curlies. Just no promises. Oy vey. Now for the top sections. We're going to use the D4 with the 9 rows. Now you see how that barely curled? So let's try going forward and see if it's different. What do we think? Did I try doing it the other way? Let's see. How did those turn out? Oh, those turned out better. There's a learning curve since I want the height at the crown. All right, not bad. I'm going to stick in some defining cream. So far, I'm really liking the definition. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And with the D4, let's go forward because I do like this to come near my face. Oh, look how cute that is. Don't you love these up close and personal get-togethers? The D4. Okay, now these are the little wispies that are growing. I don't know. Can you see them? These are all little wispies. Maybe I should do this since I want height. Maybe this should go this way. Shoot, I think I grabbed too much. Drop my girlies. Oh well, that gave me a little extra height. Now to put in a little bit of the defining cream to give it some extra control and some moisture. This is definitely different, and it definitely makes my curls look different. I'm still figuring it out. I mean, the curls look pretty, don't you think? We are down to the last section. Back to the D3 with my cute little tigers. Now for the other side. Do we like that? I don't like the way that looks. Let's see. Try it again. No, maybe backwards. None of them. None of them make it look different. Okay. Almost done, my curlies. And then for the blow drying to see how it looks. Yes, this is super time consuming. You know, a couple of times I got some really cute hair days, and then there were other times I didn't. So, wish we had known about this back in the 80s and 90s. Well, they're not too bad, but let's throw some defining cream in just to help it along. See, now, this is going to be the fun part, the top. My curlies, we are almost done here. Okay. So, time consuming. We're getting there. A little extra defining cream. I'll stick some clips in and I will come back. My clips are in. I separated a few of the bundles and we'll see how they turn out. Right now, I'm going to blow dry with the Bellissima Dyphon Supreme diffuser, and I will check in with you as it starts to dry. Okay, my curlies, are we ready? Cheers. I haven't even looked at the back. All right, well, okay, I am dry. I am a little crunchy. And what I want you to see are the bundles. Do you see these? These are giant chunks that I don't get when I break my hair up with my hand. Do you see these? These giant bundles. But look at the back. Do you see how the bundles cause it to look like I have less hair than I do? Although, they are very cute curls. And now, you know what time it is. It is time to de-crunchify. De-crunchify, right there. De-crunchify. What am I gonna use to de-crunchify? I'm going to be using the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil to de-crunchify. If you want to see what this looks like, stick around till the end. You're gonna love it. See, I can feel how big they are, the bundles. I wish my hair was as thick as it was back in the day, because those bundles would be fabulous. Okay, definitely de-crunchify. Okay, I've got some baubles. Got some baubles of pills. These are huge. Look at these huge bundles. You cannot leave these. You must disconnect. So, where is this? You know, you don't want open spots. You have to fix it. Don't know if you can hear him meowing. Okay. Did you see that? Look at this. Ready? Okay, good enough. Stay there. Be difficult. So you see that you can separate them. Just be careful. I'm not being very careful. Okay, so next time I have to do better because of the difference in lengths. Unacceptable. A quick way to fix it would be to wet it and pull it down to where you want it. All right, it's a little better. Take a look. What do we think of the Denman brush? Okay, so this side. Go back. And this side. There's a lot of bundles, but I can definitely take care of them. You just need to be gentle, my girls and guys. Gentle, soft and gentle, like I used to tell my parents. Well, my curlies, we did the Denman brushes for the first time. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Which side turned out better, the D3 or the D4? Let me know. I want to hear your opinion. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up down below. Thumbs up. Let everyone know that you loved this video or liked it. I'll settle for like. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. Hit the bell, hit the all, and that will tell you as soon as one of my videos posts. Thank you. I am up to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for sharing me. Thank you for telling everyone about me. Thank you for all the comments and for all the positivity. I really do appreciate it. Just so you know, I am not an affiliate for Denman. I will have the link to the website down below with the specific links to both of the brushes that I use. I think that's the end of the video. I think we're done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Ciao for now. I'm going to take a thin, what am I taking? A section. You take your section. Pull my pants up, excuse me. Oh no, that was it? Oh crap, I fucked it up. Or did I do it forward and it didn't look right? Did I finish that? Oh, I don't think I finished that. Knucklehead, Erica. How do you miss a section? You do your video so late that you're in it. It's getting this piece back in. Oh my God, it drove me insane. There's another technique. This is where you wrap the hair to create a tendril. I don't know if I can do this, but we're going to try. No, I do not think I did this correctly. Let's try again. No, it's supposed to be tighter. Is it because I'm supposed to hold it? How fun is this, my girlie? This is not right. Why is this not working? Maybe it's not long enough. Oh, my curlies, do I know what I'm doing? No, I don't. I really want to try to get this, though. Why am I bothering? Boy. Let me have a kiss. He must be in a witness protection program or something. He never wants to be on camera.